Are you prepared to experience ultimate power, accuracy, and raw performance? Today on the channel, we will be sharing with you the countdown of the 15 deadliest air rifles on Amazon. Regardless of your preferences, whether it's target shooting or hunting, we have got some serious firepower for you. Stay tuned to the very end, and you'll find out which one comes out as the best air rifle of all time. Number 1. Benjamin Marauder. The Marauder Benjamin is a well-known PCP airgun, famous for its precision, low-noise operation, and flexibility. It comes in either wooden or synthetic stock and has a bolt-action mechanism along with a 10-shot capacity magazine in the calibers of .177 and .22, and 8 shots in the caliber of .25. It generates a velocity of up to 1,100 feet per second and has a round capacity of between 32 and 70. The model that has been regulated provides consistent operation, while the semi-automatic model is capable of rapid fire. The shrouded barrel and depinger give it an extremely silent performance, making it ideal for covert operations. Number 2. Seneca Dragonclaw. The Seneca Dragonclaw .50 caliber is one of the best performing large caliber air rifles available today. It has a high muzzle energy with 230 feet-pounds for the basic version, while the Dragonclaw 2 has a muzzle energy of 340 feet-pounds. This gun reaches a maximum speed of 860 feet per second using round ball projectiles weighing 177 grains, while it can shoot up to 600 feet-pounds per second using air bolts with 430 grains. It uses a twin 500 cubic centimeters air tank, which produces approximately 10 to 15 shots on one charge cycle. The rifle is fitted with a hardwood Monte Carlo stock, rifled steel barrel and bolt-action mechanism. Number 3. Benjamin Bulldog. The Benjamin Bulldog .357 is an incredibly powerful and large-caliber PCP air rifle engineered for hunting prowess. The small and light 36-inch bullpup makes it easy to maneuver, while its side lever bolt-action system allows for smooth loading regardless of your dominant hand. This air rifle comes equipped with a rotary magazine capacity of 5 rounds and a 28-inch rifled barrel made of solid steel, coupled with a sound trap shroud to minimize any noise generated when firing the shot. At 910 feet per second speed and 180 to 200 feet per pound of muzzle energy, it is one of the most powerful air rifles out there, with a 340 cubic centimeter air tank capacity delivering about 10 shots per fill. Number 4. Umarex Gauntlet 2SL. Umarex Gauntlet 2SL .30 caliber is one of the most efficient PCP air rifles. It comes with a comfortable side lever and shoots with up to 1,000 feet per second, with an energy output of 100 feet-pound per energy. It has a removable tank of 24 cubic inches that is pressurized to 4,500 pounds per square inch, with regulation at 2,800 pounds per square inch for consistency in about 25 shots per fill. 2 7-round and 1 single-shot magazine make it flexible in its applications. Its 28.25-inch rifled barrel is fitted with a shroud that makes shooting more accurate and quieter. Other features include an adjustable trigger, hammer spring tuning, OD green stock, and optics rail. Number 5. Air Force Texan. Air Force Texan in .457 and .50 caliber air rifle is one of the most potent PCP air rifles. They are designed to shoot accurately at extended ranges and hunt big game. Both calibers can easily surpass the 1,000 feet per second mark, and they can generate impressive 600 to 750 plus feet-pound per energy in .457 caliber, while the more powerful caliber is capable of generating an extraordinary amount of 800 plus feet-pound per energy to take down big game. The .457 caliber is better due to its flat ballistics and wide ammunition choices. It also has a 34 inches Lothar Walter barrel. This air rifle is available in several forms, such as carbon fiber tanks, and it produces 4 to 5 shots per filling. Number 6. FX Impact Air Rifle. FX Impact Air Rifle is an exceptional PCP gun, renowned for its modularity, accuracy, and quality engineering. Among its many strengths, one feature that sets it apart from others is its Quick-Set Trigger, QST. It allows users to change the trigger weight from a lightweight match-grade setting to a heavyweight hunting setting with a few adjustments. This air rifle employs a single-stage regulator system to improve efficiency and decrease complexity. It has an adjustable top Picatinny rail mounted on a dovetail spine. The gun is constructed with increased stiffness by using a reinforced top plate. It has an improved magazine system designed for easy handling of heavy slugs. Number 7. Umarex Complete NCR. Umarex Complete NCR is a new generation PCP air rifle driven by special nitro-air reusable nitrogen cylinders that are charged to 3,600 pounds per square inch. This model is equipped with an internal 1,800 pounds per square inch pressure regulator for stable shot velocity and accurate shooting. There are several versions of the Umarex Complete NCR available. Caliber options include .177, .22, and .25. This airgun shoots up to 1,125 feet per second with .177 ammunition and generates 25 to 30 foot-pounds with .22 bullets. The side lever mechanism makes follow-up shots effortless and quick. The rifle comes with 2 auto-indexing rotary magazines. It uses innovative silence air technology for quieter shooting. Also, this airgun has a Picatinny rail and M-Lokey slots. Approximately 45 shots can be fired with one cylinder. Number 8. FX Dynamic .35 caliber. FX Dynamic .35 caliber is a powerful PCP air rifle known for its versatility and effectiveness. Due to its triple threat feature, it allows one to fire heavy slugs, normal pellets, as well as special arrows that can be used in an airgun. This rifle has an impressive muzzle energy from 135 to 200 plus feet per pound. In addition, its velocities can vary from 865 feet per second with 81 grain pellets to 500 feet per second with arrows. The rifle features a superior heavy STX barrel design that facilitates slug flight. The dynamic block and over-the-barrel plenum designs guarantee efficient and consistent air usage, whereas the AMPMK2 regulator, along with Quick Tune, allows for tuning the rifle to your liking. Finally, it uses a side shot magazine that gives you almost 30 shots per fill. Number 9. Umarex Primex Break Barrel. The Umarex Primex Break Barrel is a powerful and lightweight air rifle with features that make it easy to use and versatile. The power plant in this airgun uses the technology of a gas piston, NTP/TNT, which ensures no vibration and low noise. Additionally, this airgun can be held cocked without spring fatigue. Able to achieve a speed of 1,200 feet per second using alloy pellets and 1,000 feet per second using lead, the Umarex Primex Break Barrel provides excellent results for target practice and small game hunting. Some of its specifications include an 18.9-inch barrel, an overall length of 45 inches, and a total weight of 6.2 pounds. Number 10. Air Venturi Seneca Aspen .22/.25. The Air Venturi Seneca Aspen .22/.25 is an unusual PCP airgun that combines built-in pumping capabilities with pre-charged pneumatic function. It is equipped with a side lever repeating mechanism with a 2-position adjustable trigger. Using its own pump, the gun can be charged up to 250 bars at 3,600 pounds per square inch pressure level. About 40 strokes of the lever are required to achieve the desired level of pressure. At a .22 caliber configuration, the gun is capable of reaching 900 feet per second velocity with a capacity of 10 rounds per magazine and about 17 shots per filling operation. For the .25 caliber configuration, the gun reaches 800 plus feet per second speed with a capacity of 8 rounds per magazine. Number 11. Hatsan Factor Sniper L. The Hatsan Factor Sniper L is an extremely powerful PCP rifle with features designed to ensure maximum accuracy and efficiency in long-distance shooting. It reaches speeds of up to 1,050 feet per second when shooting in .22 caliber, with an energy output that varies between 98 feet per pound. This gun is equipped with a 21-shot magazine and 100 shots per fill. The rifle's advanced air system consists of a 700 cubic centimeter carbon fiber tank and a 100 cubic centimeter plenum chamber to regulate airflow. It also offers users the ability to regulate its performance with an external regulator and hammer preload. The Quattro trigger system is fully adjustable and ensures that each trigger pull is crisp and quick. Number 12. Daystate Huntsman Revere .22/.25. Daystate Huntsman Revere .22/.25 is a superior air rifle, both in its design and performance. It boasts an exquisite side lever design, as well as a regulation system consisting of a Humor air regulator and a Harper slingshot valve. The model is fitted with a match-grade 17 inches Lothar Walter barrel and comes with a fully adjustable two-stage trigger. If used in .22 caliber, the model provides energy up to 30 feet per pound and shoots up to 40 times per filling. As far as .25 caliber is concerned, this airgun will provide you with an energy of up to 40 feet per pound on 20 shots per filling. Number 13. Western Airgun's Sidewinder .22/.30. The Western Airgun's Sidewinder .22/.30 is an innovative PCP air rifle that combines efficiency, strength, and superior tactical qualities. This model can be purchased in two calibers. .22 caliber produces 72 feet per pound of energy, while .30 caliber produces 125 feet per pound. In addition, it allows for versatile use for both precision shooting and hunting purposes. It has titanium magazines capable of holding 15 rounds of .22 caliber bullets and 12 rounds of .30 caliber. Its firing range starts from 30 shots and goes all the way up to more than 300 rounds, depending on the specifications. It has a 23-inch TJ Hammer forged barrel and a relatively short length of 35.5 inches. One of its key innovations is select fire capabilities, enabling users to quickly switch between semi-automatic and automatic firing modes. Thank you for joining us in counting down the top 15 most dangerous air rifles currently available on Amazon. Which one was your favorite out of the list? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell button to catch more cool stuff in future videos.